Very good evening to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So today we are quite spoiled for choice again. We have 11 currencies awaiting for the setup to complete before we can engage the trade. The first currency I'm looking at is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, as you can see over here on the 1 hour chart itself, there is a break of structure over here. Alright, so there's a break of structure, a break of previous low, which is this price over here. And also find that there is a lower high formation. I'm waiting for the market to retest at this price. 0.7286 is the price I'm looking at. This is the price I'm looking to short, to sell New Zealand dollar. My stop loss is at 0.7334. That will be a good 56 pips of initial stop loss, meaning to say that if the market went up, hit this price, stop out, exit. Once it hit 0.7250, this price over here, I will place my stop loss over here all the way to entry price. There is a 36 pips of movement. I will not do any partial take profit for this. Target 1 is at 72.27. Somewhere over here, that will bring me to 59 pips. And target 2 is at 7190. This price over here will bring me to 96 pips of profit, close to a 2-1 ratio, and my final take profit level is at 71.51, which is this price over here. Alright, so that is for my New Zealand dollar on 1 hour chart, awaiting for retest before I short. Second currency we're looking at is Euro Yen. Euro Yen on the 4 hour chart, you see there's a break of structure over here as well towards the downside. Alright, and when we go down to 1 hour chart, over here we can see this was the support that is being violated. Likewise, I'm waiting for a retest. As you can see, it is also showing a downtrend. Alright, my entry price for this is at 121.30. This price over here will be my entry price. Previous high over here, came back down, waiting for retest. I am more rigid for this time around because I got 10 over currency pair I can choose. So I have to choose the better one before I can engage the trade. My stop loss itself is at 121.93. Which is this price over here. My stop loss is 63 pips for this. Target 1, 120.54. There will be this price over here. That will bring me to 76 pips of profit. Target 2, 120.10. That will bring me to 120 pips of profit over here. Alright. Target 3, 119.40. This price over here, which is retest the previous low, that will bring me to 190 pips of profit. And of course, for this trade itself, my final take profit level is 117.70. Alright, that will bring me to 360 pips of profit for Euro Yen. Up next, we are looking at Pound Yen itself. This is a Pound Yen 1 hour chart, and this is the 4 hour chart itself. As you can see, it is a downward movement. Alright, likewise break of structure over here. I'm looking for short at 1 hour chart itself at 141.32. This is the price I'm looking for a short. Okay, so it had met a few of my criteria to enter this trade. Previous support, right now turn resistant. I'm looking at how the market react over here. Preferably the market movement move up from here, this leg over here, and preferably it came back down. We test previous resistance, went back up, we test previous resistance price. This is previous support. Over here I'm looking for a short opportunity to trade. My stop loss is at 142.40. This price over here, that will bring you to 108 pips of stop loss, initial stop loss. Target 1 will be 140.20. That will be this price over here, 112 pips. Target 2 will be at 139.56. This price over here is my target 2. And final take profit level 137 flat. That will bring me to 432 pips of profit. All the way down. 137 flat. Alright, that is for pound yen. So it is at the area of my my price I'm looking for short. However, I'm waiting for a retest. The fourth currency we're looking at is dollar franc. Dollar franc itself, what we can see is that over here there is a uptrend movement. Alright, you go closer to 1 hour chart, this is how it look. However, for this trade, if I go all the way to 15 minutes time frame, or rather I make it smaller over here, well, you can see that there is a previous high over here at this price. I am looking to short the currency at 1.0027. Let me just squeeze the chart a bit, or maybe I just go to 1 hour chart and show you. Alright, so at 1.0027, this is the price I'm looking for a short. Okay, previous resistance. Preferably I'm waiting for a double top formation, meaning you say the market went up, came back, retest previous resistance, turn support, went all the way up at this price, and I will short at this price itself. Okay, my initial stop loss is at 1.0055. That will bring me to 28 pips of initial stop loss. Target 1 0.9990. This price over here, that will bring me to 36 pips of profit, but I'm not going to do any take profit at this level. I just merely shift my stop loss to entry price. My target 1 is at 0.9966. That will be this price over here, will bring me to 61 pips of profit. Very good 2/1 ratio at this level itself. Target 1 itself. Target 2 is at 0.9886. That will be this price over here. That will bring me to 141 pips of profit. And final take profit level 0.9860, 167 pips of profit. Alright, that is for dollar franc. Currency pair I'm looking at is Euro New Zealand dollar on a 15 minutes chart. I was waiting earlier on this formation itself. it went all the way up. I'm waiting for it to came back down to touch this price, which it did. Right now I'm waiting for it to retest the previous high. It can go lower as it like to. It can even go to this price over here, previous resistance turn support. Okay, either way, even if it rebound at the current price to the previous high, I'm going to look for a short at 1.4848. Okay, this price over here. My stop loss will be 36 pips above. That will bring my stop loss to 1.4884. Target 1.4787. Yep, that will be this price over here. That will bring me 61 pips of profit. Target 2, 1.4711. That will be this price over here. And my final take profit level will be at 1.4647. That will bring me to 201 pips. Alright, so that is for Euro New Zealand. Next currency I'm looking at is Australian dollar. Australian dollar, as you can see, it came back down. It came down, went up, came down again. I was waiting for it to long at this price over here, but it doesn't fulfill some of my criteria. Right now it went all the way up, forming a retest of resistance over here. Alright, as you can see, previous resistance. What is most likely to happen, it will start to come back down over here. So I will not be trading or engaging this move itself because it did not fulfill some of the criteria that I'm in for trading. So however, I'm waiting for the market to rest at this price, 0.7614 to look for a long. My initial stop loss will be at 0.7584. That will bring me to 30 pips of profit. Target 1 will be at 0.7656. This is my target 1 over here. That will bring me to 42 pips of profit, and final take profit level 0.7680. We'll take a short break from this and I'll let the video to do a rendering. I'll continue the next 5 currency pairs on next video.